So now this is the time for configure VLAN on Mikrotik router. This video is going to more interesting because I will configure VLAN on Mikrotik router. So let's start. So this is my Mikrotik router, and there have 8 port, Ether 1 to from Ether 1 to Ether 8. There have 8 port on my Mikrotik router. First of all, I have to basic configuration for internet connectivity in my Mikrotik router, because there have no connectivity. You can check out by command prompt. If I ping from Google, no response, because there have no IP address in my Mikrotik router. So let's start. First of all, I will configure the basic configuration for internet connectivity. So this is my Ether 1, and I have select Ether 1 for my WAN interface, and that's what apply OK. And this is Ethernet 2, and this is my LAN port, and I am define this for LAN port, apply OK. So now I have to assign IP address on those port. So I'm going to address and click here, and the IP address is 172.168.10.252, and here it will be selected Ether 1 because WAN is for my internet access, and here I can use 23. This is the CIDR, and apply OK. This is my WAN interface for internet. This is internet using. For this, IP address is configured for internet access. I can write down here internet, apply OK. Now I will configure Ethernet 2. Ethernet 2 for my LAN, or that means local network, for my local network 192.168.1.0, sorry, 1/28, and I will select this LAN because this is my local area network port address, and here apply. And I can hear a comment local network, and apply OK. So this is I have assigned already IP address. Now I will configure the DNS server. I'm using here Google default DNS server. You can use your personal DNS server, that means which DNS server provided by your ISP company. You can use it here. This is my testing lab, and that's why I am using Google DNS server. So IP DNS, and here I apply OK. Now I will configure route. Here you can see route, and now I will configure route, default route. Click here plus button, and here I will gateway address is this block IP address gateway will be here. .252 block IP address gateway will be here. So I am assigning IP address of the gateway 172.168.10.1, and here you can see if the gateway is OK. Here you can see the reachable Ethernet 1. It will be show the reachable Ethernet 1. If there have any problem, it's saying unreachable. Apply OK. You can see my Ethernet 1 is reachable. So apply OK. I have assigned route. So now what can I do? Now I will configure firewall net. I will simple net configuration. I will configure a simple net configuration here. Just click plus button, net, in net section just click plus button, and here this pop-up menu will be appeared. Now click general, and here source net will be selected. Just go to action, and here you can use masquerade and just apply, and here you can command net for all, because this net will be active for my all client, and that's why net for all. Okay, my net has been created. Now basic configuration is finished. If I ping in Google from my Mikrotik router, let's see, ping google.com. okay, I am pinging response. That means my Mikrotik router is connected with the internet. So now I will configure my IP address in my PC, in my this PC, for internet connectivity. I will assign IP address from this block, because this is my local area network block. So I'm assigning IP address 2, because one is my gateway, it is using in my router, and that's why I'm using 2. And here 240.192.168.1.1, and DNS server is this. Okay, so okay, let's check internet connectivity. Okay, I am accessing internet. That means my internet connectivity is okay. So now what can I do? Now I will configure VLAN. My PC is okay, and my router is also okay for internet connectivity. Now I will configure VLAN on my Mikrotik. So for VLAN configuration, first of all you have to configure a bridge. Just bridge, click here, and here you can create a bridge, BRID. Here I am assigning a name, bridge for VLAN. Just apply and okay. My bridge has been configured. Now I will assign my port address on this VLAN, on this bridge. I have 4 port, and ether 2 and ether 1 has been already used. There have ether 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will use ether 3 and ether 4 for my VLAN, because I will configure 2 VLAN 100 and VLAN 200. I will configure 2 VLAN, and that's why I will assign 2 port in different VLAN. So I am going to again bridge, just port, click here port and click plus, and here you can see interface Ethernet 3 bridge for VLAN. Just apply. Okay, I have assigned Ethernet 3 in bridge for VLAN in bridge, and again Ethernet 4 bridge for VLAN. Apply. Okay, I have assigned Ethernet 4 and Ethernet 3 in this bridge, under this bridge. Okay, now I will go interface, just click this button, and here you can see VLAN. Just click here, and now is the VLAN name. I am assigning the VLAN name here 101, and the VLAN ID is 101. And here interface you have to show bridge for VLAN. You don't need to show this Ethernet 3 or Ethernet 4, because Ethernet 3 and Ethernet 4 already assigned in bridge for VLAN. Here you can see bridge, here Ethernet 3 under the bridge for VLAN and Ethernet 4 under the bridge for VLAN. So no need to assign in this section, just select bridge for VLAN. And you have to ensure your VLAN ID is same on your both router. Okay, so just apply. Okay, VLAN 101 has been created. Now I will create another VLAN. Just click here and assign VLAN, and this VLAN ID I will give this VLAN ID like 102, and I will select bridge for VLAN. I am okay, apply. Okay, I have already created two VLAN, VLAN 101 and VLAN 102. Here you can see in this VLAN section, two VLAN is appeared in this section. So what I have to do now, I will again go in bridge section, and here port section I will click plus, and here I will assign VLAN 101 and bridge for VLAN, apply. Okay, again plus Ethernet VLAN 102, bridge for VLAN, apply. Okay, that means my two VLAN has been assigned. My two VLAN have to assign in this port section, in this bridge section, because I am showing that my two port 3 and 4 and my two VLAN 101 and 102 under the bridge. So I have to show here that. Okay, so I have different VLAN 101 and 102. I will be assigned different IP block in under this VLAN section. So I will go IP, here address, click plus, and for VLAN 101 I will assign IP address 192.168.101.1/28, and I will show here bridge for VLAN. Just apply. Okay, I have assigned 192.168.101 for my VLAN 101. I have assigned it, and now I will create for another VLAN IP address 192.168.102.1/28. I will show here bridge for VLAN and apply. Okay, I have assigned two block for my two VLAN. Now I will check this connectivity. So I am, first of all, I will use VLAN 1 user VLAN 1 IP address. I will use VLAN 1 IP address. Let's see, 101.2.101.1 gateway. This is my VLAN 1 IP address, 101 IP address. Okay, okay, I will ping here from Google. Okay, I'm I have get response from Google server. So my VLAN work is working. Now I will assign VLAN 2 IP address. The VLAN 2 IP address is 102.1. This is my VLAN 102 address. I am assigning another VLAN IP address. Now I will again ping in Google server. Okay, it's also getting response from Google server. That means my VLAN 1 and VLAN 2 are now working. So that's the video. Next video will be created with Mikrotik router for UIP tunneling and IP tunneling. So wait for our next video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.